equation, and you need to actually graph it. Okay, so to do that, if you read the directions, it gives you kind of the hint what you need to do. You first need to identify the center and radius of the circle. Okay, so your h, k, and your r. So when we do that, my h comma k, right, h, and now this one's kind of tricky. So a couple things. One, so I want to find my h comma k. Remember, it always refers back to that form of x minus the number. So this x plus 2 here is really going to be like saying x minus negative 2 squared. Okay. And then my y, just since it's just y squared, is really like saying y minus 0 squared. Okay, so what that means is that my h is this negative 2, and my my k is 0. So we have negative 2, comma, 0. So notice it's kind of like the pattern, again, relating back to what you've seen in algebra, right? X plus 2 in the equation means that the h is a negative 2. So it's kind of the opposite of what you would expect. Okay, and the last step is to find my radius. Well, I know that my radius is 25. Is that my radius, though? That's the question. It's not actually my radius. That's actually my r squared. 25 is r squared. So to find r, I would take the square root, right, of both sides, so my radius is 5. Now technically, yes, plus or minus 5, but we're dealing with the distance, so we're just using that positive option. So now I can go and graph this, and I will graph it in blue. I know my center is at negative 2, comma 0, so I'm going to go plot that point. And I know the radius is 5, which means if I count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plot a point. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From there, draw a circle to the best of your ability. I understand it's not going to be perfect, but make sure it looks kind of circular. Alright. And one more for the day. So again, I would pause here, give it a go on your own. But I will keep going, and we will get my h comma k. Right, which is, or kind of take the whatever's on the inside, if you want to think about it this way, and essentially change the sign. So I see x minus 1, which means my center is going to be a positive 1, comma, and y plus 2, so that's going to become a minus 2. It's my h comma k, and my r, well, my r squared is 16, which means my r, take square root of both sides, r is 4. So again, I'm going to go to my graph. I'll do this one in blue. 1 comma negative 2. Plot that point. Radius of 4, so count up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4. My series going. And graph smooth circle. And there you go. Alright, so those are our notes for today. Tomorrow we will do the rest of this, so please today print it out, follow along with these notes, make sure you understand them, and do your Delta Math homework. Alright, appreciate it. Hang in there, guys. We'll be back at school before you know it. Alright, so keep taking it one day at a time. Day 2 is Beelan signing off here.